KFC. Oh my gosh, this KFC looks so nice. Hey, so my friend was just talking about this public school that's famous.
Yes.
And it's a really nice public school, but someone came in there and killed everybody?
Not everybody. Like, it was a person who had problems. It was before like security was implemented. So a teacher saw the person go inside the school, thought it was a parent, just didn't do anything. But this guy came in with a knife into his classroom and started slashing at the kids.
Oh my gosh, how many kids?
I don't remember classroom, but this was when I was like 7 years old. Like
oh
20,
wow, okay.
20 years ago.
Wow.
So
that's crazy.
But yeah, it was a big thing that happened.
In this area?
Yeah, we're gonna walk past it.
Wow. You gonna show us the school?
It's a real private school now. Like, the security is top notch there, so you can't go inside. Like,
Did you say top notch?
it is top notch.
Top notch.
Apparently.
Okay.
Like, you have to go inside a narrow road and then go inside the school, so it's kind of hidden.
Oh, I see.
But yeah.
There's this shop with the crazy skyline here. All right, so this is, what is this?
Ishibashi.
Nishibashi? This is a shopping street? Yeah. I've been here before, but he said it's cool here because it's a college town. And I don't know where he's taking me though. What were we going? Just to see
Take
it?
you to the station, man. I thought you wanted to go to the station.
Okay, because they have like cool stuff around there?
Well, they have like, they have tashinomiya bags. They have, some places like have health food. They have strangely trying to be Western stores, like fancy goods stores.
Uh-huh.
But like, it's mainly a really, these days, these kind of places, short-term guys,
Yes.
everything is closed, like shopping streets are
Yeah, I've noticed that.
obsolete. But this place is still going.
Yeah.
But you got old people just sitting in front of the shop selling.
I've seen that too.
Yeah, so it's,
Because last time I was here, this whole place was all opened up.
yeah,
And it was really busy. So it's kind of crazy, like it's all quiet now. And it's only like 8 o'clock Friday
it
night.
is. But with COVID, everything closes at 8 o'clock. So,
Yikes.
yeah.
Yikes.
Real shame.
Yeah, I totally forgot about that. I think that's gonna really, what's the word? What is this place?
Well, this is a public bath. So
Whoa.
that's the cost, like adults, 450 yen.
Oh, 450 just to go in here?
Yeah, well, for a bath. So like big public bath, you can relax.
Oh. Yeah,
So
I think that's gonna, yeah, well, yeah, I was gonna just say it's gonna really interrupt my plans for making more videos.
Yeah. I
Oh,
know,
what's this
right?
place?
This is luckily cheap.
Should we go inside?
Yeah, it's a liquor store, but they have like international snacks and all that kind of stuff.
Can we look real quick?
Yeah, sure. Now let's go.
I need the air condition.
Yeah.
Well, this place is crazy.
Can I buy something here?
Yeah, go ahead, yeah.
What's cookie look good?
Some chips.
You have any
Oh.
other cookies?
Oh, I love salt and vinegar chips.
They're good, right?
They're my favorite.
Yeah.
Oh, what's that? Crispy and white?
Crispy and white.
Product of USA? Sounds racist.
It does. I was thinking that too.
Crispy and white. How much is it?
Ultimate cheddar. 298 yen, but there's 3 packs. So
How do
it's
you make it? Put it in the microwave?
like, I think so, yeah.
Oh, that looks pretty good actually.
What, do you want to share it?
Share it like how?
Like, there's 3 packs, right?
Uh-huh.
So buy it. If you want one, I can give you 1 pack.
Why? Is it buy 2 get 1 free?
Well, if you want one. No, I mean like, there's 3 in a pack.
Oh, inside.
Yeah.
I don't know.
If you want.
Blasto butter.
They all look good.
The big cheese.
Love this stuff.
What is that?
Swedish oatmeal biscuits.
Pop base.
Yeah. Hoppies.
Look at these fake Pringles.
Chizta. Chizta. Sounds bad.
Well, this place has a lot of beer.
No, I don't want to look at beer right now.
Wow, this place has a lot of things. Are you ready to go?
Yeah, I'm fine.
These guys are waiting for over here.
That's food. It's time set. And that blonde guy over there, he's known about the Akahito, I think.
What are you saying? What is that? Is it discounted? Why is there so many people here?
It's a discount, I think. It's a discount. Like, time sales going on. Yeah, see? Everything's half price.
Oh wow, it's so many people here.
Right? Hey,
It's
Jack.
crazy.
Oh yeah.
You okay?
Go back.
Going home now, yeah. Alright, see you again, man.
Who is that guy? Who is that guy?
No, bar around here.
Oh, that's the guy.
Hmm?
That's the guy we talk about with the bar?
No, there's that was in Takarazuka, this is Yoshibashi.
But he speaks English.
He speaks English. His bar is a live house. And a lot of...
Is a lighthouse?
It's a live house.
Oh, okay. So play music and stuff?
Yeah, live music and all that. Mainly blues music.
Wow.
And I think it's Japanese blues.
How come he just doesn't speak to you in Japanese?
Because I speak to him in English.
Okay.
But yeah. But seriously, it's made like real famous people go to this bar, but you never know that they're famous because they look like real rundown old guys.
Oh, just take a place. Looks good.
And, yeah.
Oh, really? Okay. A lot of young women around this place.
Yeah, student town, right?
Oh, what's this another shopping street?
So it continues
Whoa.
that way and that way.
So,
So go down? It's
which
not
way?
that
Should,
long.
okay, should we go this way?
Yeah, both ways fine.
This place. This is the what? A college town? Oh, that's the Toriki.
That's the big gift there, yeah. This is Ishibashi. So it's a college town, so there are a lot of many kind of dive bars, there's like karaoke bars as well, karaoke shops.
Uh-huh.
And like if you go inside the little streets in between,
Yes.
sometimes you'll find some really good restaurants, like that pizza right there.
Which one?
That one, that place called Pizzeria. I think it was called,
Where? This one?
yeah, that one, called O Sole Mio.
But it's closed, huh?
It's closed. But they had really nice pizza.
Do they have an oven? Like a oven?
I think so, yeah, they have a proper stone oven.
Oh, wow.
I think. I can't remember. I haven't been there since I was in university.
You should show me more around more often. And you can be the host of the show here.
Once in a while, perhaps. I don't go out so much.
You're very good at explaining things, plus your British accent
Yes, I have a British accent.
that sometimes sound like Stewie from Family Guy.
Not intentionally.
Everything's closing down though.
It is, yeah. It's 8
Oh,
o'clock, man.
Damn. Is this it? The end of the street?
Yeah, we go down there and that's the end of the street. But so all these shops, all of them are open.
Yes.
And right now, because it's like summer break,
Yes.
it's like you saw some students sitting down by the curb.
Yes.
Like there are a lot of people just staggering around,
What are they doing?
just drinking.
Oh,
And
on the
then they go to
streets?
no, in the restaurants, right?
Uh-huh.
And then they go to the convenience store,
Uh-huh.
buy some more drinks,
Okay.
keep on drinking, get
Okay.
people, and the police come and say, just get out of the way, don't drink, don't loiter here.
Oh, really?
They move to a different section, just continue drinking.
Oh,
so-
really?
Yeah.
I thought that was more popular in Tokyo.
Tokyo and here, like recently, I think they're trying to be careful.
Like in
just-
college towns?
Yeah, and they drink at home these days because it's hot.
Yeah.
But yeah.
I want to know what it's like to be going and drinking at like with some Japanese like young college people.
Young college.
I'd probably be like the oldest person there, but I think it's interesting how they do it.
Yeah, it's like it is not that interesting.
No, maybe not.
You just got people talking about the strongest drink that they had.
Yeah, they're probably not really good conversations, right?
Nah,
No.
it's talking about girls that they worked with.
Yeah.
Like that person seems available.
Yeah.
So that's the end of the street on this side.
Okay. That's it. Go inside?
I'm drinking this 2-liter bottle. So.
Okay. Alright, I'm gonna get a drink because I'm so hot, thirsty. They're playing Little Mermaid. Dun, 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 dun. I'm gonna get this salty lychee because it looks pretty good. I want some ice cream too.
Yeah.
Playing Little Mermaid.
Nice choice. Oh shit. Right.
I don't know how much this was. It's like 100 something. That's so refreshing.
It's salty.
I wouldn't say salty. It's no, it's not salty at all, but it says salty,
Yeah.
right? It's more, I mean, it's like it's kind of like bitter. It's kind of like you eating a lychee, but like an artificial lychee. But it's really good.
Is it like a sports drink? Oh, great.
All right. What does it say? What kind of shopping street?
It's Ishibashi, shopping street. Ishibashi.
And it's closed. And then there's more shops that way. Oh
There are,
man.
like restaurants, supermarkets.
can't believe it's closed so quickly. It's Friday night.
But it's 8 o'clock.
Yeah, it's true.
It's curfew time.
Can you say that one more time?
Alright, so that wall over there
Yeah.
used to be covered with posters
Yes.
for many events that go on here.
Oh,
Like,
really?
Right here, that's you got the Rakugo,
Uh-huh.
which is like storytelling. One person just sits down with the yukata on. No, kimono? Yukata? Kimono. On and just talks stories. Does a woman's voice, does a man's voice, does any children's voices. They play many different characters. One person just plays many characters and does stories. That's like Rakugo.
Where is that?
What do you mean? That one at the top?
I mean, like, is it like around here?
Well, I mean, you can find Ikeda, where we were before, is a big place for that. But also in Tenjinbashi, that kind of area, they have a lot of that kind of stuff.
I see.
And that's No. No is like, they just dance to music with a mask on, but there's like really...
Around here?
This one is in Ikeda as well. So Ikeda is really super artsy for that kind of Japanese art.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
We're here.
Right?
This is us. We're here.
Yeah, so we're, I think, around right here.
Okay. And then we
Same.
came from over there.
Yeah.
I see.
We came here, came across here.
What does that sign say?
Which one?
This one right here.
Midoriya?
Yeah. Why does it have a big?
Oh, I can't just say now. But it's they sell plates and bowls.
Oh, okay. What about this place, Madame Asako? Is this like a girls'
That's
bar?
a snack, yeah.
A girls' bar?
Well, it's not technically. I mean, yes, you talk to girls, but it's usually like one old lady behind the bar just serving you.
Oh.
So it's a place where you kind of talk, do some karaoke. Just there for conversations.
Oh, look at this place.
What is this?
I don't know. Looks good.
Ice cream.
Whoa, they got some cakes in there.
Oh, so it's...
Look at this, we found this bird here. They're so quiet. I'm not your mama. Alright, we're going on the other side. I don't think there's gonna be much on this side as well. What's the university that's around here?
Osaka University.
Osaka University. I don't know how short. This video is gonna be probably really short though. Oh, look at this place. Is it young people?
Well, they're pretty. They're like
Shouldn't they be closed?
30, 40. Yeah, so some places don't abide by the rules. They don't get any money from the government.
Wait, what are you saying?
So some places like this, open the whole night.
Yeah.
They don't abide by the laws.
Okay.
So they don't get the money. They get fined instead.
Oh, really?
Yeah, but they still open it because they're like, we don't care about COVID and all that kind of stuff.
There's someone behind us. Can you explain what this is right here?
What is
The sign?
this sign?
This sign.
Loveless. They give you drinks, just karaoke. You get to talk to girls.
For 30 bucks for an hour. But do they look like these?
Usually,
No,
I don't
probably
know.
not.
And you gotta buy them drinks. So
Oh, it's $30 plus,
no, $30 for entry.
and then you gotta buy them drinks.
Yeah, and yourself drinks.
Oh, I see. What if you don't want to buy yourself a drink?
Well, you have to buy two at least, and one for the ladies.
And then if she wants more, right?
If she wants more, usually there's
It'll
body
be.
touching involved and that kind of stuff.
Oh, is there? Inside of the bar?
It's not a bar, it's like a lounge.
Oh. Body touching. That's after
Like
the
that.
second.
Nah,
That's after the second drink, maybe.
perhaps, yeah.
That's interesting.
And apparently this gyoza place is really good.
Really?
Like everything's gyoza.
Oh, just gyoza. Specialty gyoza. Gyozao.
Gyoza. Yeah. The gyoza king.
It's an interesting looking station. What's that
That's
inside?
the taxi.
Oh. And then there's what's inside over there?
That's the train station. So that's the other side of the train
Oh,
station.
okay.
So, yeah.
All right, so a bug flew in my eye and I can't really see, but yeah, I think I had a pretty good night. We ate at that Denny's and it wasn't that great, but I got to meet my friend Kento in a while. So yeah, if you enjoyed that video, please subscribe. I really need it. I really need to get to 1,000. And thank you for watching and see you later. Goodbye.
See ya.